Hi guys, I'm Tom. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making sweet sour pork ribs. It's a really famous dish in Shanghai cuisine. If you go to any Shanghai style restaurant, you will find it on their menus. It's so tasty and everyone loves it. Restaurant version of sweet sour pork ribs is kinda complicated because it needs to be marinated and deep fried. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a homemade version. We don't need any fancy cooking techniques, and it will just as good as restaurants. Let's get started. Here I have about 2 pounds of pork ribs. We're going to clean them first. Add a 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 cup of cooking wine. Massage the ribs for 5 minutes. Add some water and soak the meat for 1 hour. Make sure the ribs are dry before cooking. Preheat the pan for 45 seconds with medium heat. Put the ribs in and cook them until we can see the crispy color on the outside. Remove them and set aside. Clean the pan and bring the ribs back. Keep adding 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix well. Add hot water and submerge the meat. Once the water starts to boil, we're going to cover the pan and cook the ribs with low heat for about 1 hour. Remove the cover, turn the heat to medium and reduce the liquids for 5 minutes. Turn the heat to low, add 1 tablespoon of black vinegar and cook the ribs for another 5 minutes. Just a heads up, don't use high heat to reduce the liquid, otherwise the ribs will be burned and has bitter taste. Now we're going to place them on a plate and it's time to enjoy. Incredible good, guys. Do me a favor, try this at home and let me know how it goes. And you will be surprised by the taste. I share more recipes like this every week. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you guys next week.